Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hit sync in Minecraft. To start, hit sync is all about timing your attacks perfectly to deal the most damage possible. This technique is a game changer in player versus player combat, allowing you to outmaneuver and defeat opponents more consistently. Mastering it will significantly boost your overall combat skills and confidence in any fight. Next, let's understand the attack cooldown. After every swing, your weapon enters a cooldown period, indicated by a bar above your hotbar. Waiting for this bar to fill completely ensures your next attack delivers its full damage potential. If you click too quickly, your hits will be weaker, making it harder to defeat opponents efficiently. Pay close attention to that bar. To develop your precise timing, focus on the attack indicator. This small icon, usually above your hotbar, shows when your weapon is ready for a full damage strike. Practice by hitting passive mobs or even blocks, aiming to click just as the indicator fills. Regular practice will help you instinctively know when to attack, making your combat flow much smoother. For advanced techniques, try combining hit sync with critical hits. Jumping just before you strike an opponent can add extra damage to your perfectly timed attack. Also, incorporate strafing into your movements. Moving side to side while attacking makes you a much harder target to hit. Remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.